Hello, in this video we're going to solve for the Lindahl prices from a public good. We have two consumers with the following inverse demands or marginal benefit curves for a public good. Consumer 1 and consumer 2. We want to get the collective or market inverse demand for the public good. So I'm just going to add up here these two inverse consumer demand curves. And when we do that, 10 plus 20 is 30, minus Q minus 2Q is minus 3Q. We have our collective market inverse demand. Let's assume that the marginal cost of providing the public good equals 2 times Q. The efficient provision of the public good occurs where price equals marginal cost, price being reflected by this collective market inverse demand. So setting 30 minus 3Q equal to 2Q. Adding 3Q to both sides and then dividing through by 5. The efficient quantity of the public good is 6 units. To get the Lindahl prices, we're going to plug Q equals 6 into each consumer's inverse demand. So consumer 1. So for consumer 1, plugging 6 in for Q, consumer 1 would be charged a price of $4. And consumer 2, plugging 6 into consumer 2's inverse demand, consumer 2 would be charged $8. Some problems with charging Lindahl prices is knowing what the actual consumer's demands are and being able to add them up. Figuring out what the efficient quantity is, and then charging each consumer this separate price. So to recap what Lindahl prices, consumers pay for the public good based on their individual benefits from consuming it. Lindahl prices give a Pareto optimal allocation of the public good. The sum of the personal prices equals the marginal cost of providing the public good. So the marginal cost of providing the public good, we found that 6 was the optimal quantity. Plugging that 6 into marginal cost, we see that the marginal cost is 12. And notice that the consumer 1, as we found out, paid $4. Consumer 2 would pay $8 per unit. Adding up those prices equals the marginal cost. All right, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.